Hey, what's up, y'all? Alright, so today William and I are at Pelicana. We're having Korean fried chicken, and we have these cheese balls right now. It's like a spear-shaped mozzarella stick. It's like sweet.
Spear-shaped mozzarella stick. Also known as a cheese ball.
Huh?
A cheese ball.
That's what I said.
I know, but you're like, you feel the ball?
I was describing it.
I know, it's so funny.
And then the little cabbage salad, complimentary.
I took a bite.
What's on it? Corn?
Yeah, like a cornmeal thing. You wanna mix it? That's a really handy dandy stand. You don't even need napkin anymore.
Alright, we're just waiting for our chicken right now. Look at our chicken. 18 pieces. Cheese, plain, original. And then we have our sauces on the side. And cheesy tteokbokki. Okay, let's eat. Can't forget the pink gloves. They will offer gloves here, like any Korean fried chicken place, I think. Because that's what Koreans do when they eat chicken. They put on fucking gloves. For all you glove-hating ass fucking weirdos that ask me why the fuck I wear gloves in my videos, it's so my fucking hands don't get dirty. Hope that helps. No! What? Oh my god, this is gonna be so powdery, it's gonna be crazy. Is this the crispy or double crispy one?
Oh, but it's crispy. Different kitchen cheese.
Huh?
It's different from the BBQ cheese.
Because it's white. What do you think it is? White cheddar?
This one's like just savory, it's not sweet like BBQ.
I think this is kind of sweet.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Maybe it's because your hands are touching it, because you're so sweet.
My gloves are.
Don't breathe in when you're eating chicken. Or it's like you're snorting coke.
We give you a little trash can for your bones. And of course the radish. Tteokbokki. Original. No sauce first. Oh, it's got a nice spice to it. Signature sauce? Signature sauce?
I'm just guessing. I have no idea.
And this is the spicy sauce. That one's definitely the hot one.
This one?
When I say Korean fried chicken is the best kind of fried chicken in the world, it is. Okay? Okay.
Oh, yeah, I keep up. You know, all these suckers going to H Mart and we're the fucking geniuses coming here.
H Mart's open, y'all. Are you guys going? The radish is nice and refreshing.
Wow, maybe this is that to cut the heat.
There's so much. Look at this mountain of cheese.
That's some Tony Montana fucking chicken right there. Scarface.
Look at it all over the table.
It's like Scarface, Tony Montana. But you know who I am? Yeah. Not as sweet as BBQ, I think, the cheese. I like it. So fat.
The wings are big here.
Yeah, so big.
I feel like they're pretty big in normal places. Most places.
Not different.
Really?
I would bring them banchan BBQ. Popeye, speaking of KFC.
Those are American places though.
Well, I started with BBQ and
Yeah, but the rest of them. Vita is small for sure. I haven't been there for years though.
whoever doesn't like GMO chicken likes small ass chicken wings. Give me all them hormones. Are you good?
I think I made 19 cents.
Really? I made over $10 this year.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Rich!
I got like $18. I said, oh, I want to make a video. Huh? You got competition. Oh man, they're coming for me.
If you get the bun half and half chicken, you can do, you know, sauce and no sauce on it. So we did one half of the cheese and then the other half plain, and then we got 3 sauces on the side.
What's your favorite sauce? I don't know, like 2 weeks ago? Remember? Oh, we'll just party at your house after work one day.
William got paid and he bought us chicken. Oh yeah, because we had a banchan and then I ate all that one flavor instead of the other flavor.
You know how you're saying that gel thing doesn't work?
What gel thing? Oh, the Korean gel thing, yeah.
I'm gonna say, after observing you for the past couple months, it's not the gel. You just eat a lot now.
What does that mean? What does that have to do with the gel?
It's just your appetite.
Korean cutting gel he's talking about.
Your appetite is too much for the gel to handle. It cannot stop you. Like right now, I feel the Ozempic kick in. Yeah, I'm like, oh.
I'm getting full too.
Are you just saying that because I'm feeling full?
William is shaming me because of my big appetite.
I'm not. I'm very impressed.
Do you
I'm
hear
I
him?
trained her well.
Just kidding, he's not. I'm gonna go throw up and eat more now. Just kidding, we do not condone eating disorders.
Yeah. She's the one that wants to go eat buffet too, by the way.
Crazy buffet. Are we gonna eat crazy buffet tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I know.
Okay guys, we're gonna finish eating here. Hope you guys have a great Friday. Okay, bye.